Okay, Ethan,
Make sure you cover the whole surface area of the bread, though, yeah?
you can put the cheese in here. Okay, so then they can just grab the cheese. Oh yeah. Put it in the step. Okay. Do we have 4 readings? How many have readings? 2. You can put a little bit more. Cheese on it, right?
It all stays inside.
So put a little bit more cheese.
I don't know how to do it. Okay, the
No, do that. No, that looks good. Now, you just grab a little bit of this cheese. That's from here. Grab a bit of that. Yeah. Put it on. A bit more, a bit more. Yeah. And then make sure there's spread. Maybe a little bit more. Just grab this whole thing. Yeah. Yeah. Good. Now grab one of these. Reach in. You grab 2. How many is this? Maybe one more. Noah? No. Noah? No. You're just gonna get the cheese, drop it, okay? Then you're gonna get the hand, put it on top. That's it. So just make it into a little square, like that. Make it fit, like that. Okay? And then, guys, actually, chuck a little bit of cheese on top, so then it's splits like that. Did he make it? Yeah. Now just put it on like that.
What is this?
Good.
Hold on, I don't have a noodle yet. Let me in. Once I get a noodle, then I'll get in. What are you guys playing? What are you playing?
I think that's Ninja Warrior.
Ninja Warrior. All right, cool. Hey, I'm not in yet. Oh. No, he got you. Larson hit you. He did, I saw it. Oh, yeah. Oh, nice. Woo!
My Mimosa.